Good morning everyone. My name is Gagandeep Kaur. We are doing part A, unit 2. Today's topic is basic writing skills. So written communication is one of the most effective mode of communication. It is more formal and less flexible than the oral communication. The written form is helpful in keeping a record of the conversation for the future reference. We have 7 C's of communication: clear, correct, complete, concrete, concise, consideration, and courteous. The message should not be vague or confusing. Correct, the message should be free of any grammatical and spelling errors. Complete, the message should be complete, that is, it must include all the required information. Concrete, the content should be supported by the facts and figure. Concise, the message should be precise and to the point. Consideration, the sender must take into consideration the receiver's opinion, knowledge, mindset, background, etc. Courteous, the sender must consider feelings and viewpoint of the receiver while drafting the message. So these are the 7 C's of communication. Next is writing skills. To communicate well, we must have a good command over the language in which we are communicating. So at the same time, we must take care that there are no grammatical errors in writing. To improve our writing skills, we will study about the basic components: phrases, sentences, and articles. So a phrase is a group of words that form a unit within the sentence but is completely independent. So for example, a sweet smelling rose, up the mountain, behind the cupboard. Now these are some of the phrases that can be used in a sentence, but they are not a complete sentence. Next is sentence. A group of words that make a complete sense is called a sentence. The last is article. An article is a word used to modify a noun, which is a person, place, object, or idea. You know about the articles. A, an, and the are the articles. Type of phrases. So basically we have 5 types of phrases: noun, verb, adjective, adverb, and prepositional. So a noun phrase is a red box. Verb phrases will go, where go is the verb. Adjective, quite big. Adverb, very slowly. Now an adverbial phrase is built around an adverb by adding words before or after it. So very slowly. Prepositional phrase, in the car. Prepositions are always begin with a preposition and is followed by a noun. So the car is a noun here. Kind of sentences. We have 4 types of sentences: declarative or assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, or imperative sentences. So declarative or assertive are the sentences that states a fact. So tell something and it ends with a period. Interrogative sentences, in which we ask a question and end with a question mark. Exclamatory shows strong feelings and end with an exclamation mark. And imperative sentence give a command, end with a period or an exclamation mark. So let's take example for each. Declarative sentence will be, I saw my friend in the market. Then exclamatory, what a shame. Imperative sentence, please lend me your book. And last, interrogative, what is your name? So these are the type of sentences. Next is rule for writing a sentence. You should use short sentences. Limit the sentence content. Economize on words, which means use less words. Arrange the sentence in a proper sequence and design the sentence to emphasize the topic. Part of speech. Each word in the English language belongs to a particular class or the part of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: verb, noun, adverb, adjective, pronoun, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So verb is an action or a state. Noun is a thing or idea. Adverb tell how an action occurred. Adjective tells about a noun. Pronoun is used to replace a noun. Preposition describes the relationship. Conjunction join two words or phrases. And last is interjection, a word of surprise. Next topic is of article. We have two type of article. One is indefinite and second is definite. Indefinite are like general things. We use a or an, and definite is the specific things. There we use the. For example, a is used before a singular countable noun when it is mentioned for a first time. For example, I saw a lion in the zoo today. Second is an. An performs the same function as a, but an is used before the singular countable nouns which begin with a vowel sound. Now here we have two things. One is vowel and second is vowel sound. So he ate an apple, where an apple, a apple starts from a vowel. But in the case of MLA, it will also be considered as an MLA because here the sound starts with M, E. You can take one more example for that, like an hour. You know, the spelling of R is H-O-U-R, but still we write an in front of it. Last is the definite article, the. The definite article the can be used with both the countable nouns, singular as well as plural, and uncountable noun. For example, the bicycle is a common man's vehicle. The Ganga, the United Kingdom, the Ramayana, the Central Bank, the Times of India. The last topic of this session is paragraph writing. So in English language, the fundamental unit of composition is a paragraph. A paragraph consists of several sentences that are grouped together and discussed one main subject. Thus, the paragraph is essentially a collection of sentences that all relate to one central topic. So how to write the paragraph? There is a pattern. First of all, topic of the paragraph, then give the introduction or the sentence topic, support and explanation, conclusion. Last is proofread. So these are the steps to write a good paragraph. Rules for writing the paragraph: give the paragraph unity, keep the paragraph short, make use of topic sentences, leave out unnecessary details, give the paragraph movement, end the paragraph with a concluded sentence. So this is how we write a good paragraph. This is the end of the session. Thank you.